So we've got lots of engines and we're going to do it on the super tower. So let's choose our engine. As I'm going to choose Stephen against Percy. So the engines are ready. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Stephen's in lead. Percy's is getting out of here. Stephen got stuck. What happens if Percy comes up to him? Here he climbs. He's nearly got stuck. And what happens? Looks like Stephen wins. Okay, so Percy, goodbye. So it's Gustavo against Turbo Thomas. Ready, steady, go! Oh, Turbo Thomas is speeding up.
Oh, it's a close one.
They're both winning.
Gustavo goes down faster. But who's stronger?
Oh, Gustavo!
Move.
As he climbs up. And what will happen here? If he climbs up.
Maybe we'll just get to the bridge.
And he got stuck. So Gustavo wins. Which engine do you want to choose next, Dad? I'll pick Jet Plane Thomas against James. Ready, steady, go! Looks like James is in the lead. Thomas is speeding himself up.
Wings are working well.
Speeding him up.
Whoa!
Whoa! James wins.
Oof, that was a close.
So next I'm picking Kenji, Dad, against Hugo. So 2 engines are going to win. Let's see. As it's a ready, steady, go! Oh no, Kenji fell. And Hugo wins.
Oh, Hugo nearly fell off. Oh my goodness.
So next I'm doing Remote Control Luke against Lorenzo. And Beppe. Start your engines as ready, get set, go! Luke's in the lead. Lorenzo, he's getting stuck.
I wonder if all these extra coaches would make Lorenzo stronger.
Oh, Luke!
Luke's so small. How do you do that?
Look, he's pushing on Beppe.
Oh my goodness, poor Pepe. He's getting pushed all the way back to the top.
What happens?
Oh no, he's not going to push him off, is he?
Let's see what happens. Oh! Whoa! Oh! So the next ones I'm going to do Raoul against. Actually, maybe not Raoul, but maybe the Flying Scotsman versus Gordon. So it's ready, get, set, go! Flying Scotsman is running slow. All of his coaches are pushing him.
Come on, Gordon.
Gordon taking on his brother now. Oh, as he got stuck. What happened? It's a jam up.
My goodness. Well, who wins?
Looks like Gordon win. So the next one, I'm going to choose a Duchess against Thomas comes to Sodor. Get set, ready, go! Oh, they're both in the lead, I think.
Oh, Duchess is looking pretty slow.
Her tender can't get it.
Still moving. Oh,
Thomas is
stronger. Just moving. Can he tip it? Does that mean Thomas wins?
Yes, Thomas comes to Sodor wins. So next I'm doing Merlin against Jon Bell. On your marks, guys, go. Oh, Jon Bell is winning.
He is fast.
Merlin is stuck. What happens if Jon Bell comes up?
Now he's sitting duck. Young Bell's going to get him.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Good time to start. Right at the bottom of the hill.
Merlin's trying to give him a push. Merlin wins. I'm going to choose Raoul against.
I'm going to choose Diesel.
Raoul against Diesel. Get set. Ready. Start you. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, Diesel's really speeding up here.
Come on, Diesel. You can do this.
Raoul is getting
Close.
ahead.
Very close
Well,
one.
Raoul
In front. No, Diesel!
Raoul wins. So next I will choose Henry against... who will I choose? Henry against Thomas. On your marks. Get set. Go! They're both in the lead, I think.
Oh, they're both very fast.
They're coming up.
Oh!
Thomas is pushing on.
Like that.
Oh, Thomas wins.
Wow.
So next I'm going to choose Remote Control Thomas against Gustavo. So 1, 2, 3, go.
Whoa, that Thomas is fast. What a speed! I've not seen that.
Thomas wins. Next I'm going to pick Charlie versus Scruff. Ready, steady, go.
Oh, these are much slower.
Scruff is really fast. Oh, Charlie got stuck. Oh, no, he kept going.
Uh-oh. Charlie, no! If Scruff gets up, he's just going to knock him off. Uh-oh.
Let's see what happens.
Don't like the look of this now, eh? If Scruff can get up slowly, I think he's strong enough to push him off. No.
Scruff wins.
Yep.
So next I'm going to pick Nia against Gumball. Ready, steady, go! Oh no, Nia doesn't have any batteries.
No, no. This doesn't seem very fair.
That's how I've forgotten to put batteries in her. As what happens if Gumball goes all the way up? Just if we keep that down. As Gumball got stuck. Next I'm going to pick Gustavo against Steven. Ready, steady, go! Steven's in the lead now. What happened? What happened here? Oh, Raoul's trying. Raoul wins.
No, I do my rule.
As for the next one, I'll choose James versus Gordon. So next I'm doing James versus Gordon. Ready, steady, go.
Oof. Both looking pretty fast. It's a close one. Uh-oh. Ooh! Oh, what a battle!
Oh my goodness. James wins because he kept his tender on and Gordon's tender fell off.
What?
So next I'm going to choose Hugo versus Gumball. Ready, steady, go! Who can win this? Looks like Hugo's getting a bit stuck. Oh, he kept himself moving this time. He's pushing back on Gumball.
Oh, he's hanging on.
Looks like Hugo wins. So next I'm going to choose Shiny Thomas against Remote Control Luke. Ready, steady, go!
Oh, they're both really fast.
Luke's in the lead.
Speed that Luke.
Oh,
Oh no! Whoa, what a move!
Thomas wins. Next I'm going to do Raoul against James. Ready, steady, go.
Which James is this?
Just James. As you just see how James is winning.
Really stronger. Oh! Oh, it's close! He's gonna fall off. Still going. Oh,
James is winning. What can happen? Perhaps Raoul wins.
I think so.
I've got 6 engines left and original Thomas versus Hugo. Ready? On your marks, get set, go! Oh no! Hugo's going really slow.
Uh-oh.
Oh no! He fell!
Uh-oh. What's gonna happen? Give him a little push. After that.
Thomas wins. Now it's remote control Thomas versus Scruff. Actually, maybe not Scruff, but maybe Raoul. On your marks, get set, go.
My goodness. Look how fast Thomas is. It's crazy. Oh! Raoul's got him! Oh, he's gone backwards! What?
Oh, Raoul wins. So now I'm going to do Scruff versus Leber CC Thomas 7T. Ready to get set, go. They're both winning. Oh dear, Scruff.
Oh, not going very fast. Scruff stuck. Oh, he stuck it all the way up there. Take it, for Thomas to get up there.
No, it won't. Nelly.
Slowly. Give him a little push.
Scruff wins.
What?
So now it's Raoul versus Scruff. Ready, steady, go. Scruff is really slow. As he got stuck again. Oh, he's still going.
He's stuck in the same place.
Yeah, he's trying to get himself moving a little bit. What happens? Raoul coming.
Slowly.
Oh, Scruff's trying to keep himself moving. Raoul wins. Oh, final round. It's Raoul versus Shiny Thomas. Let's get the engines going as it go. Who can win this? As they're coming up to the bottom now. Oh, Raoul's pushing on. Thomas wins. So well done for Thomas, who wins.